Hello everyone, I'm Dion from DionVideoProductions. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to turn mono audio to stereo audio in Final Cut Pro. Let's get started. So if we take a look at my timeline, you'll see I have a clip as well as some separately recorded audio. But if we take a look at the levels, you'll see that only one side is playing, in this case the left side. And we can go ahead and expand this view by clicking on the levels and taking a look at the right of the screen here, you'll see again that only the left side moves where the right side is practically quiet. Now, why does this happen and how do we fix this? Well, this happens because, as you can see in this case, I use a lapel or lavalier microphone to record the audio for this video. And this kind of microphone typically records in one channel, in this case the left side. So what you're left with is a mono audio source. Now in this case, as you can see up here from the project specifications, we're working with a stereo audio project, meaning it will expect two channels of audio, hence why only the left side is heard, not the right. Now, in order to change this, or in order to fix this, what we're going to have to do is essentially duplicate this left channel. As the left channel has audio and this is recorded fine, we just need to get rid of that right channel and replace it with a duplicate of the left. So let's go ahead and see how this is done. Now, to do this, we're going to first select the audio, which is the bottom layer here in our timeline, and then we're going to open up Inspector. Under the inspector menu, we're going to scroll all the way down to where it says stereo. Now this is where Final Cut will interpret this audio source as a stereo source, but again this is a mono source, so therefore what it tries to do is change to stereo itself, but this results in a very quiet right-sided audio. So to change this, we're going to click on the little arrow, and then we're going to click on dual mono. Now let's play this back and see how it looks. As you can see, if we play this back and take a look at the levels, you'll see that the two channels, the left and right, are now perfectly in sync. They're playing at the exact same pace and volume. And again, what has essentially happened is the left channel has been duplicated to also play on the right. Now, this will technically still be a mono audio source, as of course this isn't recorded in stereo, but it will play back as a stereo source as it now has equal volume levels for left and right channels. And that's how you change mono audio to stereo audio in Final Cut Pro. Let me know if you have any questions and be sure to check out my Final Cut Pro playlist. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, be sure to leave a like down below and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.